Hello and welcome to the Fabrico.Design channel. We develop professional sewing patterns and make them available to every woman. Using our patterns and video instructions, you can easily sew any garment at home and feel like a designer.
The Yenisei long johns with a double front part and an elastic waistband. To sew this, please follow the sewing patterns. Main fabric should be thermal fiber. Use threads of the same color, an elastic band 2 centimeters wide, and sewing accessories. You can find patterns for this product on our website, Fabrico.Design. Let's start cutting. It's necessary to decate the fabric so that the material does not shrink while you are sewing. Follow the direction of the grain line, which is indicated on the patterns. Transfer all control marks. After cutting, make sure to check the number of pieces according to the pattern pieces list. You should have 2 main pieces, 2 front pieces with a fold, and 1 waistband piece with a fold. For the main material, we use thermal fiber, which contains wool. Thermal fiber, which contains cotton, is also perfect, or both wool and cotton. You can use jersey with elastane, thermobiflex, and other polyamide knitted fabrics. Thermal underwear is a next-to-skin garment, so it should fit tightly. Because of this, preferable materials are those with a natural composition. Also note that this garment is designed a double gusset. Assembly. We sew the darts on the front pieces of the long johns on the overlocker, folding them face to face. We fix the overlocker stitch at the base of the dart. To do this, we take a knot and insert it into the seam. We iron press the allowances in different directions. This is what you should get. View from the inside, view from the front. We place the main piece along the front, cut between the 2 pieces of the front. The front pieces should be face to face. Sew 2 sides on the overlocker, turn them right side out. Face to face. The second one. We combine the notch. We sew on the overlock. 1 front piece, another front piece, and the main piece between them. Here's what we've got. Now we repeat the same with the second piece. To do this, we pin having previously twisted the main pieces. We align the cuts and notches. When you sew, be careful not to cut the pieces that are inside. Sew on an overlocker. We've sewn, now we turn it inside out. Be careful not to damage the seam. Here's what we've got. We iron press it, top stitch twice along the front piece with a double needle or on a cover stitch machine. We sew the seat seam on the back of the garment on an overlocker. We fold them face to face. We've sewn it. We iron press the allowance to the side. We fold the long johns face to face and sew the inseam on an overlocker. To do this, we turn it inside out. Please note that the reducing compaction allowances go in different directions on the front piece. Connect the notches. Iron press the seam allowances to the back side. We've pressed the seam allowances to the back. This is how it looks from the front. Iron press the bottom of the long johns to the wrong side along the notches. Overcast the bottom. Secure the hem. Stitch with a double needle or on a cover stitch machine. Iron press. Waistband. Decate the elastic before sewing and then sew it into a ring. Iron the belt lengthwise and in half with the wrong side inward. Sew the belt into a ring. Iron press the seam allowances apart. Put the elastic inside the belt and secure the bottom edge. Important, when you do the securing, make sure to not cut the elastic. Place the waistband face to face with the top edge of the long johns, and sew on an overlocker. Align all the control points. Stitch. We iron press the finished long johns.
Thanks for sewing with us. Subscribe to our channel and publish your photos in different social medias and tag us. You can find the link to our website in the description box below the video.